Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the concept market based opportunities for entrepreneurs. Okay, so first of all, what is meant by market? The place where goods and services are bought and sold, the place is called market. So what is meant by opportunity? The situation that makes it possible to do something that you want to do. Means the favorable time is called opportunity. So what is meant by entrepreneurial opportunity? Our topic market based opportunities for entrepreneurs. What is meant by market based opportunities? The situation where products and services can be sold at a price greater than the cost of their production is called entrepreneurial opportunity. Okay, an entrepreneurial opportunity is a situation where products and services can take action to make profits. Okay, means that is a person wants to be an entrepreneur, he must find opportunities in the market. Is it right or not? First of all, a person wants to be an entrepreneur, he must find opportunities in the market. But how many market based opportunities are there? We are going to discuss now. There are 4 models of market based opportunities for entrepreneurs. Okay, they are the competition model of market opportunity, the innovation model of market opportunity, the alertness model of market opportunity, the social need model of market opportunity. So there are 4 models of market based opportunities. Okay, to start new ventures. Now we are going to discuss one by one. The first one, the competition model of market opportunity. The first one. Okay, so this model of market based opportunity was identified by the famous economist Richard Cantillon. He identified opportunities where demand was sufficiently high to be able to obtain a high selling price for goods or services. Simultaneously, being aware of opportunities to obtain supply of goods and services at low buying prices. Clear? This form of trading opportunity is called arbitrage. What is meant by arbitrage? Purchasing the materials with low cost and selling them with high cost is called arbitrage. Okay, this is called arbitrage. Means, clear? Purchasing the materials with low cost and selling them with high cost is called arbitrage. Okay, so students, listen once again, then you can easily understand the first market based opportunity, competition model based opportunity. Okay, so if the product has more demand, entrepreneurs can manufacture those products, can sell the products with high prices. This is entrepreneurial opportunity. Clear? So in order to manufacture the products, they need materials. If they purchase a huge quantity of materials, per unit cost will be reduced. Is it right or not? In such cases, material cost will be less and product price will be high. This is a competition model of market based opportunity for entrepreneurs. Clear? This is the first one. And the second one, the innovation model of market opportunity. So this opportunity model was described by famous economist Joseph Schumpeter. He described in his work proactive in the economy as the form introduces new goods and services that disrupt existing markets and create new ones. Disrupt existing markets and create new ones. Okay, so this model of opportunity introduces a new supply and demand into the marketplace and disrupt the equilibrium of the static market system. Okay, so we can release the products with new features against the existing products. Yes or no? This is the opportunity for entrepreneurs, because people wants new products, new designs. So new goods and services always have demand. Economy will also increase by selling new products. This is the second one, the innovation model of market opportunity. And the next one, the alertness, as the name indicates, alerts, the alertness model of market opportunity. So the third opportunity model came from the knowledge school of economics and was created by Ludwig von Mises and was later developed by Israel Kirchner. Okay, this form of entrepreneurial opportunity, in this form of this third model, alertness model, this form of entrepreneurial opportunity based on the combination of first two opportunities, market based opportunities, the competition model of market opportunity, the innovation model of market based opportunity combination, the alertness model of market opportunity. But here more importance is given to the knowledge of the entrepreneur. Okay, so this knowledge school of economics tells us opportunities. It tells us opportunities are out here, already in existence and waiting to be discovered. Okay, so he should recognize the opportunity with his superior knowledge. The opportunity with his superior knowledge. When new markets are created with new product, economy will get increased. So this is the responsibility of entrepreneur. Opportunities are out of there, so he should have ability to identify the opportunities. Clear? This is alertness model of market based opportunities. And the next one, very important one, the social need model of market opportunity. In recent years, the establishment of social ventures are increased. Who is social entrepreneur? The person who starts the business with the main intention to solve the problems of the society, not for earning money. He is called social entrepreneur. The entrepreneur whose main aim is to solve the problems of the society, not to earn profits, he is called social entrepreneurs. Okay, so in recent years, the establishment of social ventures are increased. Social entrepreneurs use market based opportunities to address a social problem, and by doing so they expand the utility of the market to include a social function over and above a commercial function. Clear? Social entrepreneurs recognize and respond to social needs by forming a market based solution to address a social problem. Their main aim to address a social problem. Second aim, by solving the social problem, they want to earn money. Why? Because without money they can't run the business. Even it is social business also, they need money. Okay, social entrepreneurs may earn money by solving social problems with his own innovative ideas. Okay, here we can take the most famous and social entrepreneur Elon Musk as example of social entrepreneur. We can take example Elon Musk as example of social entrepreneur. He is American, born in South Africa, American entrepreneur. So to protect fossil fuels, he introduced electric cars. Famous person, Elon Musk. So nowadays not only government but also private people also starting social ventures. So see some of the recent social innovations: community centered planning, emission trading, fair trade, habitat conservation, international labor standards, microfinance, and socially responsible investing, and supported employment. So all these are the some of the recent social innovations. So see one by one. Okay, what they are doing. The first one, community centered planning. Okay, so here community centered planning, see here, a process that enlists the knowledge and resources of local residents to help craft solutions appropriate to local needs, allowing people to create and implement their own plans for the community helps lead to sustainable development. Okay, means in this method, some active persons, they will gather in a community and they take a problem, and whatever the resources they need to solve the problem, they collect all the required resources, they solve their own community problems. This is community centered planning. And the next one, emission trading. So a pollution control program that uses economic incentives to reduce emissions. A cap is set on the total amount of a certain pollutant that can be emitted, and permits to pollute are issued to all participating businesses. Those with high emissions can buy credits from businesses that have reduced their emissions. Okay, listen. So here emission control department, so they generally mention a limit to the factories to release their pollution. So they should not release more than that limit. Suppose if they release more than that limit, they can take credits from another company which release less pollution. Okay, a small example, listen small example, then you can easily understand. So take the example of AB companies. Okay, so here they should not release, so suppose a limit is given by the pollution emission control department, the company should not release more than 50% of the pollution. Okay, take the example of AB companies. AB companies here, A company, they release 20% pollution, but B company released 60% pollution. But according to the rules of emission department, each company they can release only 50%, they should not release more than that limit. But here B company released 60%, A company released only 20%. Here B company can take 10% credits from A company. For this B company should pay some amount to B company. This is present trend of emission trading. This is emission trading. Clear, students? And see the next one, fair trade. Fair trade, an organized movement that establishes high trade standards by certifying traders who pay producers a living wage and meet other social and environmental standards. That fair trade movement improves farmers' lives and promotes environmental sustainability. This is fair trade. Okay, fair trade here in this method. So some of the companies give full support to the farmers who are yielding the products which can't spoil the environment. Okay, and companies give financial support, and they purchase the products also. So nowadays some companies they are giving full they are giving full support to the traders, those who are manufacturing the products which can't damage the environment. Okay, due to this farmers' standard of living will be improved and environmental sustainability also possible. This is one of the trading nowadays. This is a fair trade. Why? Because this trade helps to improve the standard of living of the farmers, and it helps to protect the environment. So the name fair trade. And the next one, habitat conservation, an agreement that creates economic incentives for wildlife conservation by allowing development in the habitat of an endangered species if the property owner protects endangered species in another location. This is one of the present trading. Okay, in this method of trading, economic incentives will be given to the people who are protecting endangered species. Most endangered, who are most endangered species? Giant panda and tigers, whooping crane, blue whale, Asian elephant, and sea otters, snow leopard, gorilla, so on. So endangered species. In this method of trading, some economic incentives will be given to the people who are protecting endangered animals. Clear? This is it. And the next one, international labor standards. So legally binding standards that protect workers' rights to freedom, equity, security, and human dignity. The standards were developed by the International Labour Organization, governments, employees, and workers, and are enforced by member countries. This is the present one. So international labor standards. So this is only for humans. So man is a social animal. It is necessary to protect humans along with endangered species. Some international standards were designed for the security, dignity, freedom, and equity of human beings. Each and every organization must follow that standards, otherwise they will be liable for penalty and punishments. Okay, this is the present one. These international labor standards were designed to protect humans' dignity, freedom, and security. This is very important. Every organization must follow that standards. Clear? Otherwise they will be liable to pay penalties and punishments and imprisonment also in some cases. And the next one, microfinance. So microfinance, financial institutions that provide services such as banking, lending, and insurance to poor and disadvantaged groups. By saving money, getting loans, and having insurance, the poor can improve their lives and even rise out of poverty. This is also present venture, microfinance. Okay, some of the financial institutions are providing financial assistance to poor and disadvantaged people. So by getting loans, poor people, they can improve their lives and even rise out of poverty. Is it right or not? This is only to improve their standard of living, and some institutions nowadays they are providing microfinance to the disadvantaged and poor people. This is microfinance. And the next one, socially responsible investing, an investment strategy that attempts sustainability, human rights, and customer protection to maximize both financial and social returns. Investors favor businesses and other organizations whose practices support environment, socially responsible investing. So in this method, financial assistance is providing to the organizations which are giving priority to protect both environment and consumer protection. Okay, this is a social responsible investing. And the next one, supported employment. So programs that help disabled workers find and retain good jobs. Services include job coaches, transportation, job training, etc. Clear? And here in this method, supporting employment, okay, in this so this is also the new venture development program, supported employment. Okay, through this program, some of the facilities and services will be provided to the disabled and disadvantaged people to get employment opportunities. So these services include job coaches, transportation, job training. All these will be given by the some educated people to serve poor. So nowadays not only government but also private people starting social ventures to protect environments and humans. Clear? So this is the concept market based opportunities for entrepreneurs. So 4 types of market based opportunities are there. What are the 4 market based opportunities? The competition model of market based opportunity, the innovation model of market based opportunity, the alertness model of market based opportunity, the social need model of market based opportunity. Clear, students?